Looking for the perfect cordless drill without breaking the bank? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the best cordless drills for every budget, packed with power, precision, and reliability. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Patuopro Cordless Electric Drill. The Patuopro 10mm Cordless Brushless Electric Drill, a versatile tool for all your home DIY needs. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, this drill is a game changer for both beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts. At its core, the Patuopro features a brushless motor. This high-performance motor delivers more power and torque while remaining energy efficient. It's quieter, more durable, and minimizes heat buildup, ensuring consistent performance for demanding tasks. The drill offers two adjustable speeds, ranging from 0-850 R/min and 0-2200 R/min+. Its variable speed trigger gives you precise control. Whether you're drilling into wood or metal, this tool adapts effortlessly. The keyless self-locking chuck adds convenience, making bit changes quick and hassle-free. It's versatile enough to handle various bits, perfect for everyday projects. Weighing just 1 kilogram, its ergonomic design includes a rubberized grip for comfort. A built-in LED light helps illuminate dark or tight spaces, ensuring accuracy at all times. With its 50 to 80 Nm torque, 21 torque settings, and Makita battery compatibility, the Patuopro drill is an excellent addition to any toolbox. Fourth product on our list, Newbeat Sumaiwei Electric Drill. The Newbeat Sumaiwei Brushless Electric Drill, a cordless powerhouse packed with features for every home enthusiast. Built for precision and performance, this drill handles tasks with ease. At its heart is a brushless motor, offering increased durability, efficiency, and low noise. It delivers an impressive 120 Nm of torque and operates with a no-load speed of 1800 RPM, making it perfect for a range of materials. The drill features a fast metal ratchet chuck with a maximum clamping capacity of 10 mm, ensuring secure bit changes. Its continuously variable transmission allows for precise speed control during operation. Weighing just 1.3 kilograms, its lightweight design and alloy construction provide both comfort and durability. The Newbeat Sumaiwei Brushless Electric Drill. Compact, versatile, and built for every household need. Third product on our list, DEKO DKCD12 Fuchs-Li Cordless Drill. The DEKO DKCD12 Fuchs-Li Cordless Drill, your new go-to tool for all home DIY projects. Lightweight, compact, and powerful, this drill is perfect for everything from drilling to screw driving. Available in 12-volt, 16-volt, and 20-volt options, it delivers impressive 28-42 Nm of torque. With a no-load speed of 1350 RPM, it handles wood, metal, and screw driving tasks efficiently. The keyless chuck can accommodate 0.8 to 10 mm bits, while the 18+1 torque settings allow precise control for various tasks. Weighing only 1 to 1.2 kilograms, it's easy to handle, and the rubber over-molded handle provides a comfortable grip. A built-in LED work light ensures visibility in dim spaces. With 18+1 settings, variable speed, and a lithium-ion battery, the DEKO DKCD12 Fuchs-Li is the ideal tool for any DIY enthusiast. Second product on our list, Gisam Electric Impact Drill. The Gisam 18-volt Brushless Electric Impact Drill, a powerful tool for your home DIY projects. With a rated torque of 480 Nm and a no-load speed of 4000 RPM, this drill delivers impressive performance. Its 13 mm max drilling diameter allows it to handle a wide variety of materials. Whether you're drilling into wood or metal, this drill is built to tackle tough tasks with ease. Thanks to the brushless motor, this drill is more efficient, providing longer battery life, reduced maintenance, and less noise. Lightweight and easy to use, it's compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, offering convenience for users with existing Makita tools. The Gisam 18-volt Brushless Electric Impact Drill is the perfect tool for any DIY enthusiast looking for power, precision, and reliability. First product on our list, Babeq Brushless Electric Drill. The Babeq 16.8V Brushless Electric Drill, a versatile tool perfect for home DIY projects. With an 80 Nm max torque, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. This drill is equipped with a brushless motor, delivering high rotation speed and extended service life. It's designed for both drilling and screw driving, thanks to its 2-in-1 functionality. The 20 adjustable torque gears give precise control for any task, from delicate screw driving to tougher drilling jobs. Plus, the no-load speed of 3000 RPM ensures quick results. With a built-in LED light and power indicator, working in low-light environments is easy and safe. For reliable, high-performance drilling and screw driving, the Babeq 16.8V brushless electric drill is your go-to tool.